Hello everybody out there on YouTube. It is I, James, once again, and welcome back to another Trolley Tuesday. Today we're looking at my R&T interurban car, which is based off of the Shaker Heights interurban cars. Now I know what everyone's thinking. Well, hang on a minute. There's already a Trolley Tuesday about this. All you've done is you've swapped the wheels out, gave it a pull and just some extra details. What gives? Well, that's not entirely true. This is the R&T car that I've covered on my channel. This one has only been seen in 2 photographs, although it wasn't in this condition. So, let me just move this back here. This car was actually in the voting video for Trolley Tuesday, and I'm sure it's still in the playlist. If not, I'll describe. There was a point in time where I had decided whether or not I should continue Trolley Tuesday, and I thought about it and decided I probably won't continue it. But then I changed my mind and put it up to a vote on the channel, and more people voted that it stay, as more people wanted to support it and enjoyed viewing it, and we have quite a few viewers who regularly watch it. And I know somebody in particular who really enjoys it. He knows who he is. He usually gets a pinned comment on all of my videos. Anyway, this car was actually the first of the 2 R&T cars that I've bought, and when I got it, it originally was painted bright red with yellow and a gray roof. And in the video, you actually saw it in pieces disassembled. Now this car is sold as a kit, so you have to physically put it together. And there were 4 parts to the shell kit. Part 1 is the front, which contains all of this detail up here. Part number 2 is the back, and it's just this big plate down here. And then 3 and 4 are the 2 different sides. And this car, for lack of a better term, was absolute garbage when I got it. In fact, as soon as I took the brackets for the trucks off and I took the trucks out, the whole body shell crumbled and it fell to pieces. So I tried to clean it off the best I could, but I couldn't get it off. So I had to send it away to a good friend of mine. He's a associate member of the Northern Texas Traction Club, of which I am the president for. Sorry, I'm a bit under the weather, so forgive me if I get a few things incorrect in this video. But anyway, he went and sandblasted this car, added the streetcar pole, he added the stovepipe chimney that's on the side, and the headlight that's on it now. All I have to do is paint it, and it'll be finished. Now, there is one unfortunate side effect of getting this car fixed, and that was the brackets for these motors, because these are, I believe these are Walthers, or Atlas trucks. I can't remember, one of the 2. But these are these are North Shore interurban trucks, and the motor for this is massive, and it was about 2 centimeters wider before, and there used to be a noticeable seam gap on the top that showed that. But since Phil went and closed it up, and he actually welded this whole thing together. Almost everything on here is welded. There's a few epoxy pieces. But when he welded it together, it's now the correct size. But now that it is the correct size, the truck can't turn physically anymore the correct way. It has about that much play in it. So I have to find new trucks for this car. But for now, it's going to keep these, and since I just have a straight track right now, it'll work perfectly fine. But anyway, here's some of the other detail he added. He added the mounting for the pole itself, which can go up and back down and back up again. We're going to leave it up for now. And you can, if you look closely, you still might be able to see some of the yellow and red paint clinging on there. I don't know who had it before me, but they used some kind of enamel acrylic paints for it, and not the good kind. But this car is very nice, and I can't wait to paint it alongside its sister right there, and we'll give it a quick little spin. Oh dear. Let's try that again. And there we go. And let's see our original R&T get going. And with that, I hope we all had a nice, enjoyable Trolley Tuesday. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Wait a minute. If you're there, and you're there, what's gonna... Oh!